How can blockchain help the agriculture sector? The blockchain is a ledger of transactions that are stored by individuals. The technology can also track the provenance of food and also helps create faithful food supply chains. It establishes trust between the producers and consumers. Blockchain is known for storing data and facilitating the use of database technologies in order to make farming smarter. In simple words, the technology of blockchain plays an essential role in agriculture. If blockchain technology is used with some smart contracts, it permits timely payments for stakeholders that can be triggered by the data changes that appear in the blockchain. Here, we will discuss the applications of blockchain technology in agriculture, including food supply chains, agricultural insurance, smart farming, and transactions of agricultural products, among others. Besides, we will also shed light on the challenges of transactions made by smallholder farmers and the difficulties in creating the ecosystem to utilize blockchain technology in the agriculture sector. These days, data and information are the keys for all industries. Similarly, the data and information are crucial for the agriculture sector in order to enhance productivity and sustainability. Information and communication technology, ICT, not only increases the effectiveness and efficiency of collecting, storing, and analyzing data in agriculture but also allows agricultural practitioners to obtain the latest information besides assisting in making better decisions in their daily farming. It is pertinent to mention that information and communication technology, ICT, does not avoid bias in the collection of data. Those using ICT always are allowed to use data in their own interest. For example, the preferences of stakeholders in a multi-criteria decision are highly influenced by the organization they work for, while the NGOs can focus on the issues of their own interest. Thus, to mitigate such bias, data manipulation should be made difficult or highly impossible. It can be done by distributing the power of data management to a larger extent. Blockchain is a ledger that is managed by all parties using a peer-to-peer network. On the blockchain network, a new record needs to be verified before it gets added to the blockchain. It is pertinent to mention that any alteration to the recorded data is done only by the consent of the majority of the parties. Besides, any alteration to one record leads to the alteration of all its subsequent records. Therefore, it is highly impossible to make any change in the data recorded in a blockchain. Blockchain technology benefits for agriculture. Blockchain technology enables peer-to-peer transactions, which can be done without any interference from an intermediary like a bank or a middleman in the agriculture sector. Since it has eliminated the need for a central authority, technology has changed the way trust is granted. Notably, blockchain technology proposes a reliable way to trace the transactions between anonymous individuals. Thus, any fraud and/or attempt to exploit the data can be detected quickly. Also, you can raise your problems in real time by incorporating smart contracts on blockchain technology. Technology also provides a solution to the issues related to food quality and safety because there are some of the major concerns of the consumers and the governments. Blockchain technology also provides transparency among all the parties. Besides, it provides the collection of reliable data. It keeps an eye on each step in a product's value chain, ranging from the product's creation to its death. It is worth mentioning that the data on the farming process is highly valuable in developing data-driven facilities and addressing insurance solutions in order to make farming smarter. How can blockchain technology revolutionize the agriculture sector? Blockchain is a technology that comes with a lot of breakthroughs, and it can become a boon for the agriculture sector, considering its potential. It allows information to be traced across the supply chain of agriculture. Notably, blockchain technology in agriculture enhances food safety. Blockchain's attributes of storing and managing the data allow for traceability, which can be used to assist the development and implementation of intelligent farming. What are the uses of blockchain technologies in agriculture? Blockchain technologies allow tracking of all kinds of information about the plants, including seed quality and crop growth. It also generates a record of the journey of the plant. Using this data can enhance transparency in the supply chain. Also, it can eliminate the issues related to illegal and unethical operations. Besides, it will be much easier to track any contamination to their source. The technology focuses on sustainability and food security. With subsequent information and transparency, the participants can make informed purchasing decisions. This information is frequently utilized to reward farmers and producers who are implementing good farming methods. There are 4 benefits of implementing blockchain technology in the field of agriculture. These are: improves quality control and food safety. Blockchain helps to bring transparency to the supply chain and remove ineffective processes, besides ensuring optimal quality control conditions. Increases traceability in supply chain. There has been a significant rise in the consumers' expectations related to food standards. A lot of consumers want to know about the origin of their food. With blockchain technology, it will allow consumers to know exactly where their food originated and who planted it, and, most importantly, how fresh it is. Increases efficiency for farmers. A lot of farmers are currently using a combination of several apps which are developed by the software development company, spreadsheets, and notes to record their data. However, it demands a lot of work to provide the data to some other service providers. Here, blockchain technology reduces the efforts and allows farmers to store all their data in one place that can be easily accessed by those who need it. It simplifies the entire process and saves valuable time and energy. Fair payment for farmers. Currently, there are several issues that have created challenges for farmers to get paid for their produce. Usually, it takes weeks for farmers to get the full payment for their produce. In the meanwhile, blockchain technology works by triggering the payments automatically soon after the previously specified condition has been fulfilled. Also, it doesn't charge excessive transaction fees. Blockchain technology is growing rapidly. While it has already been revolutionizing several industries, there are still a lot of places where it needs to expand. There are so many opportunities for blockchain in the agriculture industry.